Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Geniuswigs again. Always, I've been feeling the packaging even more since I changed it to this vibrant blue color. So as usual, we have this drawstring bag on the inside and there's some goodies. I got a Geniuswigs elastic band, a pair of wig caps. I got a elastic band in case you need it, an edge brush and comb, and as I showed you, the bag with the wig. So those are all the goodies. So guys, today we got this gorgeous bob. You know it's summertime and it's always a breeze, it's always trendy to get yourself a really nice bob for summertime. This one is very much giving natural hair blowout. It's a kinky straight texture and it's a blunt cut bob. Some of the best features of this wig right here is the fact that it's a crystal lace, invisible lace closure wig, and it's a crystal lace is always very durable. All right, also it's a glueless fitted wig cap, so you don't need no glue, no gel, nor spray. About this cap that you guys see today, it's not the regular cap. This is their Geniuswig airflow cap, ventilated wig cap, which is more breathable and cool, so that way you won't feel like, you know, your head is so confined. It's just way more convenient. Also, there is a, if you notice in the back of the cap, there is a silicone, so this is really like a no slip kind of feature that they added to the cap, which makes it so much more secure. The elastic band is a very strong one. It's adjustable and it's very comfortable once you apply the wig. And then lastly, I must mention that the lace is pre-cut, which is always convenient and makes the wig ready to wear. This is also 12 inches long, guys, and 150% in density, and it is feeling really good. So now that I showed you guys the wig that we're working with today, which is very easy, very quick and convenient, let me go ahead and slip it on. So that's how it's looking right off the bat. So the biggest part for this install is really styling it, so I'm gonna definitely run through this with my flat iron and my hot comb to get it flat and more like tamed. You know, I know once it is straightened, I know it's gonna be so, I know it's gonna be such a beauty. So I'm so excited to go ahead and jump into that. Before I go any further, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be.
Very nice and undetectable lace. As I said, they tried to improve the realistic feel and vibe of it by doing kinky edge, but I know it looks bulky right now, so we're gonna fix it up. We're gonna make it look really nice, and you know, I'm gonna definitely go in with a center part because this never come with like a pre-part vibe or anything. You can either do it on the center or the side, whichever position or parting your heart desires. Go ahead and do that, and I'm just gonna do some wax as usual to lay this as flat as possible. So I don't really think you need to do like any baby hair or anything, so I'm gonna push these back. Once I'm ready to, like, I'm not gonna use a hot comb on this hair or anything because I want it to still have that textured vibe, but just to make everything kind of blend in really nicely, I'm gonna use a little bit of my instead of doing baby hairs, I'm just gonna use a little bit of my the product. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of the product to kind of push the hair out of, like, you know, push it back, you know. That's all I'm gonna do.
You understand, your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Okay, so guys, as you can see, I went ahead and made the parting more precise, and this is how we're looking. Very much more tamed. It's still that nice kinky straight texture, and you see how flowy that is. Yeah, really nice and flowy, and it looks so natural, like very natural. As you can see, absolutely no baby hairs. I just push back the edge portion into the hair itself, and absolutely no adhesive. It looks so good. It's like the lace is very nice and camouflage. Like, you don't have to worry about it looking unrealistic. If it's one thing about this wig, it's giving natural. It's giving natural hair girly. And you definitely went ahead and did a little silk press. So Geniuswigs definitely did it again. The lace, very undetectable, very undetectable. So I am very pleased with that. I'm gonna be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box. Shout out to Geniuswigs once more. All the specifications will be listed as well if you guys are interested in getting this wig for yourself. I feel like it's perfect for the summertime. The convenience, as I said before, it's just top tier. You know, it's glueless, no baby hair is needed. It's an invisible crystal lace wig. It's a lace closure wig. You don't have to worry about the air portion. You don't have to worry about the lace lifting, about the adhesive melting off. You know, it's very stress-free, convenience type of wig. So we love that over here. We look for the most convenient, realistic wigs all the time. So yeah, but that's it for today's wig look, guys. Let me know if you found this video informative. Yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Insert.